What's going on, guys? This is going to be a follow-up video to the first one I made where I was showing people how to run Google call-only ads with Google Ads. So this is going to be a follow-up. If you are on a limited budget, I'm going to show you how you can essentially get hundreds, if not thousands, of additional leads into your business to your landing page. So if you have any offers that you're running from your landing page, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go over to Facebook. If you don't already have a Facebook, go and create a Facebook. You're going to go over to the group section right here, to the little icon. You're going to go create a new group. Now, before I show you how to build a group and how to get a ton of people into your group, I want to show you one of the groups that I started here and how you can essentially replicate this process with your own group. So I started this group called the Baby Yoda group several months ago, I believe 8 months ago. And I have about 13.4 thousand members in this group. If we look at the growth of my group here, we can see that since the time I started, I hardly had any members, and this is all organic traffic. And my group has been able to grow exponentially. And I've set up a membership questions. So when someone wants to join my group, they have to put in their email address, put in their name, they can put in their phone number, and then I'm able to basically set up a Google Excel spreadsheet and then eventually import these into GetResponse so that I'm able to essentially email all of the people that have joined this group. Now, this is going to be an overall outline. It's going to show you how to do this. Obviously, Facebook and all these things change all the time. So if you understand the core concepts of this, you can apply this to your business. So I'm going to show you how I did all of this. So I started this group, like I said before, in I believe early March with no subscribers whatsoever, and the group is able to grow to over 13,350 members here. So I'm going to show you how you can monetize and how you can grow this. So what you're going to want to do first, when you're in a group, you're going to want to go and create a group just like this, okay? And as you can see over here, I'm interacting with my page. So what you're going to need to do is also create a Facebook page. You're going to want to go and link that Facebook page to your Facebook group, just like this, okay? There's plenty of YouTube videos that will show you how to do that. I'm not going to go into detail. So you want to link that to your Facebook group, Facebook page to your Facebook group, okay? And you're going to have the option right here, once you start running page-like campaigns, you're going to have the option to invite the people that have liked your Facebook page into your Facebook group with this little option right here. And you can simply start inviting members just like this, as you can see, right? And you can say, send invites, and this is how you grow a group. So what you essentially want to do is run a Facebook page-like campaign to where you get 1,000 people, a little over 1,000 to 1,500 people that like your Facebook page. And then you want to invite 50 to 100 people every single day. This is going to take a month to 2 months. But after, a month, 2 months, you're going to have anywhere between 600 to 1,000 people in your Facebook group. I have found that 50% of the people that I invite join my group. So you're going to need about 30 to 60 days to do this. So once you have about 600 members in your group, Facebook will start promoting your group on the organic search, and this is how your group starts exponentially growing on a daily basis. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how kind of all of this works over here. So remember I showed you this membership questions? Well, you're able to get the email from these people here. So you can see over here, what is your email? And people will put in their email addresses just like this. So you can create a CSV file with Google Excel and then import this into your autoresponder so you can send out these emails to these people here. So what you essentially want to do is send out emails, and you're also going to want to go and create a public post with your Facebook page. Now you're going to want to make this as an announcement so that when people see your group, they're going to see that this is the first thing. So I have this Baby Yoda. You don't have to use this Baby Yoda. I mean, obviously, right? If you're running call only offers, like I had a full tutorial on the video previously to this one, you can essentially set up for example, a page right here and send that to a website that you've created. So for example, here, I'm using an application called Elementor. So I could go from this and from the emails sent to a page that looks just like this. I'm going to show you how this works. So I can go and create a button. See if I can actually do this here. Okay, so this is just for example purposes. I'm able to set up if this was a landing page for call offers, you could do something like this, and then you can go in here and then plus, and then whatever the number, and then there you go. So when you do something like this, the people land on this page, and then they'll be able to call that number. Now, how do you actually go about and make money with this? Obviously, when someone lands on this page and they're going to call that number, like I showed in the Google call only ad campaign, what you're going to want to do if you're running any kind of website, you're going to want to install a Facebook pixel. Now, what a little Facebook pixel is, it's a little line of code. I'm not going to show you how to do this because there's plenty of YouTube videos that show you how to do this. This little line of code allows you to create a custom audience, and you can essentially retarget people that visit your site. So as you can see over here under the sponsored, I had visited ecomelites.com to look at one of Franklin Hatchett's courses, and he has a retargeting ad, and the ad constantly follows me around, right? So every time I land, I see his ad, right? And this is how you make money. A lot of times when people land on this page right here, so you get all of this traffic coming from your Facebook group, you're going to want to retarget so that they see your page essentially again. And that time when they see your ad, they see your page, they're going to be more likely to call. I get way better conversion rates when I run retargeting ads, somewhere upwards of 50 to 60%. So it really works very, very well. So I'm going to show you how to start all of this so that you have an idea. Okay, how do you actually run the page like campaign? What does this entail? So you're going to want to go and create a campaign. You're going to have one ad set within one campaign and then one ad within one ad set. For each campaign that you have for one ad, you're going to want to run $25. Now, do not worry, you're not going to spend $25. When you create a higher budget, Facebook gives you more impressions throughout the day, right? So the beautiful thing about Facebook ads is you're able to turn off the ads at any time, right? You're not bound to just, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go and create 4 to 5 different campaigns within one ad set, within one ad. And what you're going to notice after the campaign is active, that after about 4 to 5 hours, you're going to see right off the bat which campaigns are working better than others. So you can if you're on a limited budget, you can turn off the campaigns that are saying 20 cents alike, 50 cents alike. Those campaigns are pretty bad. So you're going to want to aim for 3 to 5 cents a page like. Okay. Now, what do you have to do in your ad copy? It's very simple. You're going to want to say, hit the like button. You're going to want the person to like the ad. And in my case, for the Baby Yoda, I said, hit the like button if you think I'm a cutie. Maybe you want to create multiple variations of that little tagline here. Okay. And it's just as simple as that. So you can go and get pictures off of Canva. So let me just show you the process with this. As you can see over here, the image size that you'd have to create the ad is 1200 by 688 pixels. So you can go over to a website called Canva, and you can go and create a custom design right here. importing the pixel height, whatever. And then you're able to go and do this. You can use royalty-free images or images off Google. So you want to be really careful about copyrighted images. Obviously, you want to add your own, kind of change the image around with Canva before you upload this on your Facebook ads. There are also royalty-free images that you're going to be able to find different things like this. So you're going to be able to find royalty-free images here, and then you can upload those images onto your Facebook ads. So I use images, people can use videos, but I have found that Facebook, that images convert the best when I'm trying to get page-like campaigns. So that's basically it. You're going to want to go and create one campaign, one ad set within one campaign, one ad within one ad set, and you're going to want to aim for 3 to 5 cents a page like. And when you're sending the traffic to your page, you're going to want to install a Facebook pixel so that you can create a custom audience and retarget the people that have visited your Facebook page. Okay, this is method 1. Now I'm going to show you a free method that you can use to do this. So one of the ways, I actually found this out completely by accident. I had a YouTube channel that I started. It's called BBW News. Now I just use this for example purposes. Let me see if I can find the channel here so that you have an idea. Yes. So I created this channel really a while back and several years ago, and I only started to apply this method here. So as you can see, I was able to get 32,000 views, 26,000, 77,000, 244,000, 258,000, hundreds of thousands. And if I continue to keep going with this channel, I can potentially get millions and millions of views. Okay. So what I'm able to do is once I get all of these views, I'm able to create a link down here if I want that can link directly to my page right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You can apply this to almost any niche out there. So you're going to want to go and find forums related to your niche. So in this example purposes, I used a forum called curvage.org and another one called StufferDB. Anyway, so this is a forum where people are essentially able to buy clips and they're able to basically post content, and it's like you can pretty much post anything there. So you can embed your YouTube video on these forums. And why they work so well, let me just show you something here. If we go over to SimilarWeb, we can see that these kind of forums get a ton of traffic. So if we just look here, so if we look at the SimilarWeb data for Curvage, you can see it ranks and it's pretty high up. And look how many visitors it gets on a monthly basis. So almost 1.5 million visitors per month. This is more than enough people to essentially get thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views to your YouTube video. So you simply just, I'm going to show you how I did this. So we're going to go over to community here, but the the names may be different for each different forum. I'm just showing you how the concept works. So you're going to want to go, example here, when you're in this, you can start a new topic if you really want to. And then you can simply see I'm currently restricted on here. You don't want to do this too many times. It works once or twice, so you can go and create a new account. But what you're essentially able to do is have a little option right here to embed your YouTube video or post whatever you want, like this person is doing here. You see, it's pretty much it. If you do get banned, there's different ways to kind of go around this. You can go and create when you're doing these forums, right? Creating these forums, accounts on these forums, you can go and create multiple accounts. So I highly recommend that you do that. Other ones like let me show you another one here. look at, these are databases. So I'll show you this one here, how this one looks. And remember to also find, this one gets 1.34 million. I'll show you how this forum works. And this is another way that people kind of do stuff. So let's just take, I don't know, this image here. And you're able to leave a comment. So you can leave a comment for your YouTube video. So how do you actually go about finding these forums? So it's super easy. So if you're in the Make Money Online space, there's plenty of different forums out here. So we can see Beer Money Forum, Webmaster Sun. If we just look at the similar web data for, you can see that it's probably getting quite a bit of views on this forum. See, 916, 580. See, there's a ton of people that are always looking in these forums, so it's very easy for you to embed your video. There's also one for Make Money Online called the Warrior Forum. Now, this requires that you pay, I believe, $80, but it lasts for a year, and you're able to go and create your own custom thread if you need to. And yeah, so this is another option here. So I hope this helps. These are free ways to essentially get a lot of traffic to your website, or if you're doing call-only offers to your site, whatever you're trying to use it for. This is how you get a ton of leads into your business. Now, if there are certain things that are kind of confusing, I do offer mentorship. And if you just click the link below, you'll be able to book a one-on-one consultation with me, and I can essentially walk you through if you need to run your ads, if you want to learn how to build your Facebook group. I can help you with pretty much all of this. So click the link below if you want one-on-one mentorship.